how to get 1099 TikTok Shop. So log into your TikTok Shop account and navigate to your dashboard. Then look for a banner at the top of your TikTok Shop dashboard that prompts you to complete tax verification. Click on Go Complete Tax Verification within the banner. Then complete the tax form provided by TikTok. This form will likely require you to input your tax identification information, such as your Social Security number, SSN, or Employer Identification Number, EIN, along with other relevant details. After filling out the tax form, click on the Submit button to send your tax information to TikTok for verification. Once you've submitted your tax information, wait for TikTok to verify it. Once verified, you should be set up to receive tax-related documentation, such as a 1099 form if applicable, from TikTok. Keep an eye on your TikTok Shop account for any notifications regarding the status of your tax information or the availability of tax-related documents. Thanks for watching.